Hello, this is Nathan with UnitConnect, the online property management software. In this video tutorial, I will be covering how to update existing tenants within UnitConnect. To begin from the dashboard, we're going to come over to the Properties tab here in the main menu. Alright, now we're here on the Properties tab, and I'm going to go ahead and select the first property that is listed. And here we have two units. The first unit has a tenant, which is the dollar store, and the second unit is currently vacant. I'm going to select the first unit, and on the left hand side under Actions, I'm going to go to Tenant Info. Alright, so now we're here on the tenant information page, and so we can see here at the top we have the name of the tenant, which in this case is the dollar store. We have their address, account information, and lease and term options. Below that we have four separate tabs which include the tenant info, rent details, notes, and payments. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be focusing on the tenant information tab. If I scroll down a bit further, then we can see that we have two other tabs, which includes contacts and the tenant portal. So for the contacts, I would like to demonstrate how to add a new contact. So if I come down here, I can click on Add Address. All right, and so now I'm going to click Save. Okay, so now we can see that we just added a new contact for this tenant. Now I'd like to share how to modify a contact. So if I select the contact that I just created and click on Modify Address, then we can see all of the information that we just added. So I can add, for example, a last name, Allison, and click Save. So now Allison has been added to this contact as their last name. In addition, it's possible to delete an address. So if I select the contact that I just created and select delete address, then it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this contact? I'm going to say delete. All right, and so now that person that I just added is gone. After you've added either one contact or a variety of contacts, you can select which contact should receive tenant invoices. To do that, you can come over here to Send Bills To, which has a drop-down menu. If I select it, you'll see that we have four different options. And notice that these four contacts in this drop-down menu correlate to the contacts that we've added here below. To reiterate, these four contacts are the same four contacts that we see right here. And so in this example, we want to send tenant invoices to the rent payable contact. And so that person has been selected. You can verify the email address by checking under the email column, and you can see which email address the tenant invoice will be sent to. And if you need to make a change, you simply select this contact, modify address, make any changes, and click Save. In addition, you can select within UnitConnect where the tenant should send payments to, and that's on the right-hand side. So currently there's a drop-down menu, and this drop-down menu correlates to the owners of this property. Currently this owner is selected, and therefore the address associated with this owner is what will populate on the invoice for the tenant. Alright, that concludes this video tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful and informative. Please stay tuned for future updates, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.